What is up, guys? Today Bitconnect has not shut down, but pretty much shut down. I'm gonna see if I can log in real quick and I'll show you guys what's up. If you're watching this, you probably already know what's going on, but basically what they've done is they've shut down their lending and exchange services. So really the whole purpose of Bitconnect is no longer. Hold on, I'll show you guys real quick. The price, I watched the price fall from 300 to about, I don't know what it's at right now. Last time I checked, it was $45. Yeah, so I got my about $3,100 in loans. When I logged in, I had 8.8 Bitconnect tokens, and I was like, what, this must be a glitch. And then they have this newsletter where they're talking about they're halting the lending and exchange platform. Now you can go to the Bitconnect site and read this. I'm not going to read it for you, but really the platform has shut down because of the main reasons of this is the DDoS attacks and this 2 cease and desist letters they got from Texas and North Carolina. So I guess they just didn't want to deal with the bullshit anymore. Now in reality, yes, they did give everyone's money back, but by the time people could sell their Bitconnect tokens on another exchange, it was useless. Like, you've already lost most of your money. So they are still doing Bitconnect X. I'm really not sure what the purpose of Bitconnect, of the Bitconnect coin, is going to be anymore without the lending platform. You know, maybe they'll get through this and maybe they'll start again, but we'll see. I will no longer be supporting any lending programs, anything like that. I'm mostly going to be doing ICOs and cloud mining from now on. Now, if you did happen to get some money from your lending wallet and got to sell it, you should probably go invest into some cloud mining, Hashflare. Now the Bitcoin price, as you know, is down a lot today, probably like 20%, but it's all because all this FUD, man. But yeah, all I really wanted to show you guys is that Bitconnect no longer is. Let's see how much I got out of the program, if it'll load. Yeah, everyone's talking about it. I guess it's not going to show me my total earned. I think I got something like 5,000, so I did make profit. But the weird thing is I was making more money from Hashflare anyways than Bitconnect. I have 11.26 terahashes. If you want to sign up for Hashflare, link will be in the description. But it is the resting day for Bitconnect. Now, now that the price of Bitconnect is really low, I am gonna buy some Bitconnect tokens just for the possibility that something is gonna happen. I don't know, but you know, we'll see. So that's basically it, guys. If you want to sign up, if you want to cloud mine and sign up for Hashflare, link will be in the description. Other than that, Bitconnect is officially RIP. So yep.